Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian from K-Dog Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you what I do to make my nails look like a brand new set without having to actually do an entirely new set. So let's get started. So the first thing that I do is take my cheap cuticle nippers that I bought from the dollar store, take off all of my Swarovski crystals and stones that are on top of my nails so that way I can have them ready to file away any of the imperfections and any of the ridges that were left by the crystals. So now I'm taking my nail filer, which is the Beauty Secrets curved. I love the curved ones. It's the 100-180 grit washable coarse medium. I'm taking the coarse side and filing away the large ridges and gaps that were left by the Swarovski crystals. Then I'm turning it over, filing away with the softer side, medium grit, so that way it is as smooth as it can get. And I do this to all my nails. Now I'm taking my buffing block and just buffing away any scratches and ridges that were left behind after filing, so that way it is completely smooth for the next step. So now I'm just dusting off my nails to get them ready for my gel polish application. The gel polish that I will be using is D&D number 694 Moon River Blue. I really love this color, and of course I love using gel polish, not regular polish, but if you want to use the regular polish, you can. So now I'm just applying my gel polish color to the fingers that I know are going to be completely solid, which in this case is going to be my index finger, my middle finger, and of course my pinky. I did apply it to my ring finger as well, but I ended up changing my mind because I wanted it different. After I apply the first coat of gel polish, I do cure it for 30 seconds and reapply a second coat just so that way the color is more vibrant and not as transparent as only being one coat. my ring finger and thumb, I decided I wanted them to be a little bit different, so I'm just taking the same color and doing a French tip on them. I'm applying it a little bit deeper than I would do my smile line, so that way I can go in with any type of brush and just clean up the smile line a little bit. I like my smile lines to be very soft and subtle, more natural looking than deep smile lines, so that's why I'm not doing it very deep at all. After I use the cleaning brush and clean up my smile line, I do cure it for 30 seconds under the UV lamp and apply a second coat right over the same smile line, going back in with the same cleaning brush and fixing the smile line before I finally cure it for 30 seconds again. For my thumb, I'm just repeating the same process that I did for my ring finger, pushing back the gel polish a little bit deeper for my smile line than I normally would do, applying it in a thin coat, and then going back in with my cleaning brush and perfecting the smile line as best as I can before finally curing it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with my Mia Secrets Crystal UV LED gel, and I'm just going to apply a thin coat, not too thin, not too thick coat of the gel. The consistency is a lot thicker than Builder Gel. You could use Builder Gel if you wanted to. I have this on hand, so this is what I use. I'm focusing on the areas that are going to have the most crystals and then thinning it out as I get to the parts that are not going to have any crystals on it. Now I'm going in with my Swarovski crystals, the smallest ones that I have, which are SS3s, and going around the smile line, covering it up for any imperfections that might have been on it. I really also like the way it looked. It was really beautiful. Unfortunately, my camera had issues, so I could not film the entire thing, but this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Now I'm going with my thumb and just repeating the same steps over again, thinning it out where the crystals will not be, and of course focusing on the cuticle area and the smile line because that's where I want my crystals to be placed, exactly the same as my ring finger. I actually forgot to put a top coat on my ring finger, but after you apply the UV LED gel crystal by Mia Secrets, you do apply a top coat on it so that way it just adheres a little bit better. Here's what it looks like after I finished it. Really pretty, exactly the same. Now going to the middle finger, all I did was apply the Crystal UV LED gel on the entire nail this time because I wanted to do something with the entire nail with the crystals on this one. And after I applied it, I also applied my gel top coat so that way it adheres a little bit better. And then I started adding Swarovski crystals onto it. For the design on my middle finger, I didn't exactly know when I started putting the Swarovski crystals on what I was going to do, but I ended up actually doing an S shape on them. It came out really good, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to do my other hand off camera, so I'll end up putting a picture at the end of the video so that way you guys could see the outcome of both hands done completely. Alright, so this is the finished look. I really enjoyed doing these ones. They were really beautiful. So now I'm just going to get some cuticle oil, put it on my cuticles, rub it in, and I'll be finished. I'll start doing my other hand after this. And I'll post a picture at the end. Alright guys, so that's basically it. Here's the pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I really enjoyed making this video. It was really nice to figure out how to edit things. If you guys are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.